Good evening, everyone. Is the voice clear? Do let me know, everyone. Is the voice clear? Am I audible? Is the screen visible? Okay, very good. If yes, then quickly settle down yourself, turn on your videos, and we shall just start in a minute. Just a minute to go. Let others also join. Please revise the questions that we did in the last class. Revise the questions that we did in the last class. Topic you all know we were doing direct and inverse proportion, right? In your book, you can also find it as unitary method. You can also find it as unitary method, right? Beta, those who were absent, like Devayush, you are telling me, just go through the videos once. Okay? Today is the last class for this topic. And then next day we will start a very fresh and new topic. Okay? So if there is any problem in any question related with direct and inverse proportion, which we do in the class, do let me know. Okay? Do let me know. And we shall start with the previous year question data of RMS 2024. And today we are also going to do a bit different kind of question that might come in the examination. Okay? First question for you. Let me read it first and then I shall start the poll. The question says, Ram drinks 200 ml glasses of juice every day. How many liters of juice does he drink each day? Okay. If 200 ml glasses of juice he takes, then you have to tell me that total amount in liter. Okay. And launching poll for you. Just a second. Here you go. It's very easy, beta, very easy. Quickly, within 5-10 seconds, you will do it. It's that easy. Those who cannot hear me, please exit and rejoin. Can you hear me, everyone? Am I audible? Do tell me once, am I audible, beta? Because I can get many, I cannot hear you. I think I'm audible, right? Yes? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Actually, I was getting many chats like, ma'am, you're not audible. I thought, am I or not? Okay, let's see how we will do it. It's very easy. Within seconds, without anything, you will do it. Ram drinks 5 200 ml glasses each day, right? 5 glasses of 200 ml. That means total 1000 ml. Total 1000 ml. You have to tell how many liters he takes. You know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So if it is 1000 milliliter, your answer would be 1 liter. Within seconds. Within seconds. And this was question of RMS 2024. Please note this down. Yes, Sanskriti?
Is English class 7 to 8?
English class 7 to 8.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please do check your timetable, dear. As far as I got the timetable, it's maths. Yes, Kavya Sahi.
Why do you multiply?
Kavya, you're not audible to me.
Ma'am, why do you multiply by 5?
Because it's written 5 glasses of 200 milliliter. 5 glasses. 1 glass is of 200 milliliter. So 5 glasses is 5 into 200, 1000 milliliter. Yes, Rachna. Yes, Rachna, beta. Quickly ask, beta.
Ma'am, what about 5 into 200, ma'am?
Okay, explaining this once more. See, the question says, beta, Ram drinks 5 glasses of 200 milliliter juice. Okay, 1 glass is of 200 milliliter. If he drinks 5 glasses every day, so total how many liters he drinks? So 5 into 200 milliliter, that is 1000 milliliter. Total juice he drinks is 1000 milliliter. You want answer in liter, right? You want answer in liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. That's why answer is option A, 1. Okay, option A, 1. And those who are asking me about the English class, so your English class is not at 7. I don't know the time. Please check your timetable. Presently at 7 o'clock, you have your maths class. English class might be afterwards. Do check your timetable. Okay. Yes, we have.
Timetable English class 9 to 10, ma'am.
Okay. So if it's 9 to 10, you shall attend then. Yes, Arav Sharma.
Divided by 200 multiplied by 5. I got answer.
You don't have to divide it, beta. You just have to multiply it, because if 1 glass is of 200 milliliter, then 5 glasses will be 200 into 5. That is 1000 milliliter. And it's a general question, general knowledge question, because we know that 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Moving to the next question. Please do write the questions as well. All the questions are from previous year. By chance, suppose if I repeat any question that has already been done in the class, so do let me know. I shall not rub it, but we shall do that question also. If by chance, by mistake, I repeat any question. Because I want you to practice more and more questions from the book. This is SANIC 2020 question. Okay, practice it once. Here you go. Let me see who gives me the answer. Still only 55 answers. Quickly, dear. Quickly, everyone. Okay, Sudeep Sai, Charan and Shubha. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very smart. Okay, let's see how we will do it. So many of you have given me the wrong answer. Oof. Half of the class, more than half of the class have given me the wrong answer. Beta, so many times we have studied this. I thought this is so easy chapter. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? Now first in my head, I should know that it is direct proportion or indirect proportion. Which formula shall I use, right? So if 4 dozen bananas, 60 rupees. If the rupees is less, for sure I will buy less bananas now. Less money means less bananas. So I can say it is direct proportion. That is x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2, right? This was a short trick that we learned. X1 y1, x2 y2. Now this is 4 dozen, right? This is 4 dozen. What I have to do? I have to convert this 4 dozen into pieces. I know that 1 dozen is equal to 12. So 4 dozen will be 4 into 12, 48. 1 dozen is equal to 12. 4 dozen, 4 into 12, that is 48. Now what you have to do? 48 bananas for 60 rupees, right? 48 bananas for 60 rupees. How many bananas for 12.50 rupees? This is the equation we got. This is the equation we got. Now just solve it. 48 upon 60 and this 12.50 shall be Multiply it when moved to the other side. If I remove the point, I shall get 2 zeros. If I remove the point, I shall get 2 zeros because 2 digits after the point. 1 0 1 0, cut, right? This 48 and 60 both comes in the table of what? 14. Both comes in the table of 14 or not. It both comes in the table for 6. If you don't know the table of 14 or 16 or 15, but table of 6 everyone knows, right? So this is 8 and this is 10. This is 8 and this is 10. Now this 8 and 10 again it can be simplified. This in 4 times, this in 5 times. This in 4 times and that in 5 times. And 5 1 is 5. 525 is 125. This 25, 4 and 10 is left, right? Either you can simplify it further or you know that 25 into 4 is 100. 100 by 10. So 10. Answer. If you want, you can simplify here also. Like 5, say you can cut 5 and then 2. Then again this 2. You will get 10 only as your answer. But that becomes more khichdi of it. So 5 into 20, 25 into 4 is 100. Upon me 10. 1010 cut. 10 will be your answer. It's that easy. Yes, Akshay. Akshay Dharmik.
For me, so many exams were there, ma'am. For that, I was absent for 2 weeks, ma'am. Can you show the formulas, ma'am?
Beta, I cannot right now. Please do watch the recordings. Yes, Ritesh. Ritesh, you're not audible, beta. Yes, Pardhev, quickly turn on your mic and ask me. Pardhev.
Teacher, you can explain it again. I didn't understand.
Okay, those who want me to explain this again, you can lower down your hand. Please lower down your hand if you want me to explain this question again. Okay. Any particular question I shall take. Yes, Litika.
Ma'am, how you get 100, ma'am?
Because when I remove this point, beta, so after this point I have 2 zeros, 5, 2 digits, 5 and 0. That's why. Yes, Sahil Shabana. Yes, Baldev. Arey yaar. Okay, everyone please lower down your hand explaining this once more, okay? Explaining this once more. See. Cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 60. That means in 60 rupees, you can buy 4 dozen of bananas. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50 rupees? Now, if the money is less, for sure, the number of bananas would also be less, right? That is our common sense. If I buy 4 bananas in 10 rupees and if I have only 5 rupees, so I shall have less bananas. So using that common sense, I know this is what? This is direct proportion. And direct proportion means x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. 4 dozen banana is how many? 48. How? 12 into 4. 48. This is 4 dozen banana. So 48 bananas can be bought in 60 rupees. In how many rupees can we buy? How many bananas can we buy in 12.50 rupees? This is the equation we have to solve, right? This is the equation we have to solve. What we will do? 48 by 60 into 12.50. That is the bananas I need. When I remove this point beta, because I have 2 digits, I shall take 2 zeros in the denominator. 2 digits, so 2 zeros in the denominator. Now let us remove 1 0 and 1 0. Remove 48 and 60. Both I can divide it by 6. Why? Because I know the table for 6. 6 8 is 48. 6 10 is 60. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 25 is 125. Now if you want, you can cut this 10 and 25 also. 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. You will be left with 2 and 5. So 2 into 5 is how much? 10. Answer. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Your answer. Whatever is the trick is here. You have to simplify this. Okay? You have to simplify this. Yes, Sherlyn?
Can you explain me the decimal removal in 100?
Pardon, Sherlyn, I am not able to hear you clearly. Can you please speak a bit loud?
Ma'am, can you explain the decimal removal and adding the 100?
Beta, when I remove this decimal, because I have 2 digits, that's why I took 2 zeros in the denominator. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Gahan? Quickly, beta.
Can you explain the multiplication and simplification part, ma'am?
For the last time, I am explaining the simplification part. Everyone, please do pay attention. Explaining this simplification part for the last time. 48 upon 60 into 12.50. Remove the point. You will have 2 zeros in the denominator because I have 2 digits after the point. 1 0 1 0 cancelled out. 6 8 is 48. 6 10 is 60. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 5 1 is 5. 5 into 25 is 125. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. You are left with 2 and 5. 2 into 5 is 10. Your answer. This is the Kartala, Monish and everyone. This is the shortest method, beta. Shortest method. What you have to do? You simply have to write the short trick. 48 by 60 into 12.50. And now, if you want me, ma'am, can I do this using another method? Ma'am, can I divide it directly by 25? Go for it. Ma'am, can I divide this 125 and 60 by 15? Go for it. You can make the calculation easy. It depends upon you that how good you are. How good you are at the calculation. It depends upon you totally. Okay. Okay, next question, beta. Okay, giving you this question, let me see how many of you can do it. Just give me a second. Yes. If 8 workers can pack 160 boxes of sweets in 5 days, how many boxes will be packed by 5 workers in 13 days? Let me see how many of you do this correct. Go for it. Try to solve this. Twenty-one. Sudeep, Bhumika, and Harshit. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, let me explain this. What's the question? The question says 8 workers can pack 160 boxes of sweets in 5 days. How many boxes will be packed by 5 workers in 13 days? Right? 5 workers in 13 days. So if 8 workers pack 160 boxes in 5 days, more number of workers, less number of days, but work will be done more. Work will be done more. So here we have 3 things. We have the work also, like we have the work, we have the number of days, and we have workers also, that is number of men. So for this beta, always do remember a short trick. Okay, this is the short trick. This is the short trick. You must remember it. What's it? M is for men. D is for days. You can say days or time. Here it is days, so you can take it as days. It can be time as well. and W is for work. Okay, like 160 boxes. So 160, packing 160 boxes, that is my work. 160 can be my work. So you have to keep in mind this short trick, this formula. Men, days and work. Men, days and work. So M1 into D1 upon me W1 is equal to M2 into D2 upon me W2. 8 workers, 160 boxes, 5 days. That means 8 men for 5 days. Work is 160. 5 workers, 13 days. What will be the work done? What will be the work done? And now you can easily simplify it. How? By cross multiplication. So W2 will be what? 5 into 13 into 160. 160 upon me 8 into 5. Upon me 8 into 5. And now easily 8 1 is 8. 8 into 20 is 160. Right? This 5 and 5 cut. You are left with 13 into 20. So 13 into 20 is how much? 260. Answer. Option C. You have to remember for these type of question, you have to remember this short trick. Okay, you have to remember this short trick. Yes, Sansriti?
Sorry, ma'am, I got it.
Yes, Sudeep Sai?
Can divide 160 by 8, ma'am, and I can multiply by 6, ma'am.
Pardon, beta, I could not get it.
Ma'am, first we can divide 160 by 8, ma'am, and multiply that answer with 13, ma'am. We can do like that also, ma'am.
That is because you know this formula in your head now. Those who don't know the formula in the head, then how will they do? Yes, Kartala Monish?
Explain this again.
Yes, beta, for sure. See, these type of questions in which you see worker also, matlab number of workers, number of men. You see days also, that in how many days the work is being completed, and you see work also that has been completed. Like here, packing of 160 boxes is the work. So when you see all the three in one single question, so during that time you have to use this formula, the short trick. M1 into D1 upon me W1 is equal to M2 into D2 upon me W2. M is for men, number of workers. Men means number of workers. D is for days. Days can be either time. Okay, so sometimes it is not days, it is hours or minutes. So it's like that, years, months. And W is the work you perform. So use the formula for it. So 8 into 5 is equal to 1 upon me 160 is equal to 5 into 13 upon me W2, because I don't know that 5 workers in 13 days packed how many boxes. So I took W2. I have to find the value for this W2. So 5 into 13. 5 into 13 into 160 cross multiply is equal to W2 upon me. This 8 into 5 shall come in the denominator. 8 1 is 8, 8 20s are 160. 5 and 5 cut. I am left with 13 and 20. 13 into 20 is 260. 13 into 20 is 260. Any doubt, do let me know. This can also be termed as chain rule beta, okay? Quickly take the screenshot and I shall give you same type of question. I shall give you same type of question. Here you go. Same type of question. If 35 men can build a 49-meter long wall in 8 days, then in how many days can 20 men build a similar wall 63-meter long? Find the number of days, right? You have to find the number of days. Here you go. Quickly. Quickly, everyone. Still only 56 answers. Okay, this time Omkar, Monish and Sahil. Very good, beta. First three to answer me, but still only 24 correct answer I got. Either you are answering in a great hurry or I don't know what you are doing. Either you don't know to multiply and divide. Even you are not aware how to cut the numbers. So beta, you should practice more and more. If you don't know even how to cut the numbers, you can think where you stand in the competition. It was very simple, right? M1 D1 W1 is equal to M2 D2 W2, right? 35 men can build a 49-meter long wall in 8 days, right? That means 35 men took 8 days to complete 49 work. How many days will 20 men take? 20 men take how many days for 63 work? This is it. Now what I have to do? I have to find the value for D2 because D2 is missing. Days is missing, right? Just find the days. 35 into 8 upon 49. This 63 when moved to the other side becomes in the numerator, and this 20 which is in numerator when moved to other side of the equals to becomes in denominator. Now just simplify this equation. When I see 35 and 49, I can remember the table of 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49. When I see this 63, I can say 7 1 is 7 and 7 9 is 63. Now 5 and 20. 5 1 is 5. 5 4 is 20. 4 and 8. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. I'm left with what? 2 and 9. I'm left with 2 and 9. So what you have to do? You have to simply multiply 2 into 9. You will get 2 9s are 18. Option B. 2 9s are 18. Option B. Quickly note this down. Yes, Gahan?
Ma'am, I mistakenly pressed the hand raise, ma'am.
Yes, Advaya Patil?
Explain me again. It again.
Advaya, I could not hear you. Can you please repeat? Advaya, I could not hear you. Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, can you please explain it again?
Yes, for sure. Yes, Litika?
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Can you explain it again?
Okay. Yes, Sarvika? Sarvika, quickly, beta. Sarvika, we are not audible. Ask in the chat box. Yes, Diksha.
The question.
Diksha?
Ma'am, I did not understand the question.
Okay. See, explaining this question once more, beta, everyone. Please pay attention. 35 men can build a 49-meter long wall in 8 days. 35 men are there. They work for 8 days and they build a wall which is 49-meter long. If now 20 men are working and they build 63-meter long wall, how many days they must have took? We have to find it. For that, you must learn this short trick. Short trick means short formula, which is M1 into D1 upon may W1 is equal to M2 into D2 upon may W2. It means M is for men, that is number of workers. D is for days, time, and W is for the work done. So 35 men, 49-meter long is the work and 8 days is the time. So 35, M की जगह you will write 35, days की जगह you will write 8, work they have done is 49. This you have to find the number of days. Men we know 20, work we know 63. So we have to find D2, that is days. Now, if you want to find D2 beta, this 20 by 63 shall move to the other side of the equals to. How will it go? 63 will get multiplied to 35 and 8. This 20 shall be multiplied with 49 here. Now simplify this equation. 35 and 49 both can be simplified by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49. This 63 can be simplified by 7. So 7 1 is 7 and 7 9s are 63. This 20 can be simplified by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 4s are 20. This 8 can be simplified by this 4. 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. You are left with 2 and 9 beta. 2 and 9. 2 into 9 is 18. Yes, Vihas?
Ma'am, I didn't understand it.
Understand the simplification part? Yes, Aditya Kishore?
Mom, what is the meaning of M1? Is it powered by men? Like, is men powered by one?
Yes, M1 means beta men, okay, number of workers. So here M1 and M2 both are men. That means number of workers. 35 men for 49 meter, 8 days. So this is the part of one group, first group. First group, that's why all the values in the first group. Now again we have men and we have work. So this is meant for the second time. So this is M2 and W2. D2 you have to find out. Got it, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone, any else? Problem? Any question? Anyone problem with the simplification? Just raise your hand. Who is it who have problem with the simplification? Harshal. Okay, beta. Once more, I can explain you the simplification part. I know it's a bit tough. Not tough, but confusing, right? 35 into 8 into 63. Upon me 49 into 20, right? This is what we got after sending these numbers other side of the equals to. Now what you have to do? You just have to simplify. 35 and 49 both comes in the table of 7. This comes in 5 times, this in 7 times. 7 sevens are 49. 63 comes in the table of 7 for 9 times. 20 comes in the table of 5 for 4 times. And 8 comes in the table of 4 for 2 times. So I'm left with 2 and 9, right? Left with 2 and 9. 2 into 9, 18. Answer option B. Okay, giving you one last question of this type. Same type, one last question, okay? Then we will do another type of question. If 20 women can lay a road of length 100 meter in 10 days, then find the length of a similar road that 10 women lay in 25 days. The question says, beta, that 20 women can make 100-meter road in 10 days. If 10 women work for 25 days, what length of the road can they make? Okay? You have to find the work here. 125 meter, 105 meter, 90 meter or 75 meter. Go for it. Quickly, beta. Gahan, Preetam, Lavanesh, very good beta. First three to answer me. This time almost 43 of you have answered me. Bit better from the last time. Okay, see, that means at least some of you got the point. Same trick you have to follow, beta. Same. There is only one simple trick, only one formula for these type of question. That is M1 D1 upon W1 is equal to M2 D2 upon W2. This is the short trick that you have to follow for this type of question. Whatever, if it is road in meter, if it is wages, if it is whatever, despite of days, it is written hours, whatever, work, time, and your number of workers. So 20 women for 100 meter in 10 days. 20 women, 10 days, 100 meter. Now 10 women, 25 days. What shall be the work? This is what we have to find out. This is what we have to find out. Very easy. Cross multiply, right? Cross multiply. And if you want in this particular question, beta, this can be simplified and made easy. Because 0 say 0, 2 zeros and 2 zeros you can cut. So you will be left with only 2. You will be left with only 2. 2 is equal to 10 into 25 upon my W2. Because 2 zeros and 2 zeros are cancelled out. Now, W2 shall be equal to what? 10 into 25. And upon my this 2 becomes the numerator. 2 1 is 2, 2 5s are 10. 25 into 5, 125. Answer option A. Option A. Yes, Danvit?
Before we were comparing two items, but in this question there is three items. How to compare?
Danvit, I could not hear you properly, beta.
Ma'am, in before questions we were comparing only two items, ma'am. But in this question we are how to compare three items.
Because before question also we had 3 items, not 2. Check. We had 3. Yes, Kavya Sahi.
Ma'am, I did not understand. Can you explain me one more time? The simplification.
Yes, beta, for sure. Yes, you Wayne.
Question once again.
Okay. Everyone wants it to be done once again. Yes, Akshay Dharmik. Quickly, beta.
Ma'am, can you show the formulas, ma'am, in last?
Beta, there is no such formulas, beta. Please watch the recordings for the questions, beta. The formula for this type, only one formula is there, only this one. There is no such formulas which I have made the PPT on. You must watch the recordings, beta. And when we revise, after once we are done with all the chapters, then you can understand all the questions. Okay, see. 20 women for 10 days, 100 meter road, right? So 20 into 10 upon 100. This is the part of first group M1. 10 women, 25 days. What length of the road? So 10 women, 25 days. Work, I don't know. Length of the road, I don't know. We can simplify it here because 2 zeros and 2 zeros can easily be cancelled out. So I'm left with what? Only 2 here. I'm left with only 2 here. 2 is equal to 10 into 25 upon my W2. Now you will cross multiply. This W2 shall come here and 2 shall take the place of W2. Simplify it. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. You are left with 5 and 25. 5 into 25 is 125. Your answer. 5 into 25 is 125. Your answer. Yes, Sahil?
Ma'am, in formula for men we are writing as N1. For women can we write as W1?
Yes, beta. That is M means men, number of workers. It can be children, men, anything, beta. Okay? Yes, Dhanvir?
Ma'am, in before classes, we were comparing only two categories. Ma'am, but in these questions, how can we compare three items?
The before that we were doing, beta, we were doing direct and inverse proportion. The question either had the direct proportion or the question had the indirect proportion. But these type of question, it includes both proportion in one. That we call chain rule. That is what we call chain rule. And for that we have this formula that you have to memorize. Okay? You have to memorize this, because this is the chain rule. In this you see both direct also, indirect also. Like 20 women, 10 days. So more women, number of days, if it has increased, so of course the amount of work should have decreased, right? But this is called chain effect, chain rule, in which we have both direct as well as inverse proportion. That's why only one formula needed, this one. Only one. Okay, everyone, please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot, everyone. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.